Are you touching mommy's phone? Can you get it unlocked? You got the camera? Are you playing with mommy's phone? Yes, you are. Here. Let's turn it off. Whoa, you unlocked it really fast. Oh, let's not do that. Oops, let's do that again.
What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing?
Joshua's playing with mommy's phone.
What is Jasper doing? Mommy, what is Jasper doing?
He's playing with mommy's phone.
Wait.
You want to look at the pictures, Josh? Ooh.
Yay!
That's mommy's phone, Josh.
Where?
Yep. You like it, huh? Oh. Yeah. Say hi, Josh. Say hi. Can you say hi to mommy? Huh? Joshua? You say hi? Joshua. Hi. Hi, Joshua. Hi.